Enabling Face ID on Amazon app is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Check if Face ID is enabled for the Amazon app. To see and control which app use Face ID to sign in, go to Settings and choose Face ID and Passcode and tap Other Apps. If not, enable Face ID for the Amazon app. Now, to enable Face ID for the Amazon app, first of all, open the Amazon app on your iPhone and tap to sign in. Then, if asked, allow the app to use your username or password, and glance at your iPhone to sign in. Ensure that your iOS device supports Face ID. Face ID is available on iPhone X and later models. Face ID support might be introduced in a specific version of the Amazon app. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Verify that your iOS device's privacy settings allow the Amazon app to access Face ID. You can check this in your device settings under Face ID and Passcode.